Well, as you can imagine, yesterday's Shantytown Supreme Court ruling fueling a swift response from the government. Cleopatra Murphy reports.
Dangerous is how Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Public Works, the Honourable Desmond Bannister, branded the ruling handed down by Supreme Court Justice Cheryl Grant-Thompson, calling for government to cease demolition of Abaco shantytowns, unless, of course, it can show the court that there has been a breach of the law.
What that has done is she has usurped the statutory powers of the building control officers in the Ministry of Works. She has usurped the statutory powers of officers throughout the various ministries in the country. And the judge is now determining whether they could carry out their duties in accordance with the law. That has to be wrong. The second thing is this. It is now open season for anybody to go on any land and put up any structure they want and not comply with the law.
Bannister says anyone can now put a structure on anyone's land even if they lack a permit. Further, building control inspectors cannot act unless they make an application to demolish before Grant-Thompson. Charging that the decision is both flawed and wrong in law, Bannister says government expects to have it overturned.
There were two injunctions in place. The first injunction prohibited the government from demolishing shantytowns and buildings and structures, etc. The second injunction stopped people from building those structures. Every one of those buildings that we were demolishing on the farm was built contrary to the court's injunction.
Bannister says while Grant-Thompson has not extended the injunction to other islands, complainants can return to the court to seek an extension on the injunction.
Right now, you cannot enforce the laws of the Bahamas virtually anywhere, and we are in the middle of hurricane season. That is the frightening part of it.
Attorney General Senator the Honourable Carl Bethel also vowed that government would appeal the Shantytown ruling, having also met with counsel.
We respectfully disagree with the reasoning of the learned judge. We respectfully disagree with the conclusions arrived at by the learned judge, and we will be appealing or seeking leave from the judge to appeal on the basis of urgency to the Court of Appeal, where we hope that this matter will be definitively resolved.
A judicial review of shantytowns across the country is ongoing. Whether Grant-Thompson's ruling reflects what that final judgment will be, Bannister responded this way.
I don't know what the judge's final decision is, but certainly this ruling doesn't make sense.
Cleopatra Murphy, ZNS Network News.
What is the place for deals? Check out the deals Variety Disposable Products has just for you. Log on to www.znsshoppingnetwork.com, select the island of your choice, and shop anywhere, anytime.